You asked, how to divide 1584 by 8 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 15 minus 8 equals 7. Bring down 8, making 78. 78 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 times 8 equals 72. 78 minus 72 equals 6. Bring down 4, making 64. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. 64 minus 64 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 198.